You're welcome. This is a new innovation in the tax system, in the tax world, in Nigeria tax system, right? Now, we all know of TaxPromax, right? We are familiar with this because this is the platform at which we use today to file our what? CIT, VAT, whatever, anything about what? About tax when it comes to limited liability companies. But there is a new innovation called Rev360. This is a new platform that the NRS has introduced that we will be using to file our CIT or form of tax that deal with limited liability company. Remember, here deal with only limited liability companies. It doesn't deal with states. State is excluded, right? Here also deal with what? Limited liability company. It doesn't deal with states. State is excluded. Now, what they want to do is that they want to migrate from here to here. But before I talk more about this migration, listen to this video. Thank you.
The Nigeria Revenue Service is introducing a new tax administration system, Rev360, to drive greater efficiency, strengthen compliance, and improve the taxpayer experience. Rev360 is a complete, integrated ecosystem, powering a smarter, more efficient way to manage your tax obligations. In line with global best practices, Rev360 comprises the Taxpayer Self-Service Portal, Tax Consultants Portal, Unified Revenue Collection Workspace, and System-to-System Tax Filing Portal, all within one seamless platform, simplifying processes, improving transparency, and making compliance easier. With a single sign-on, you have secure, instant access. You can work directly on the platform, through your consultant, or from your own accounting system. Rev360 gives you the flexibility to file and pay from wherever you operate. Prepare your returns offline. Upload when ready. Get real-time support with built-in intelligent assistance, guiding you every step of the way. Every tax type, every obligation. One platform. FIRS has changed to NRS, but our mandate remains the same. The only thing changing is how effectively and efficiently we deliver it. Rev360. This is what modern tax administration looks like. Simple, flexible, connected. Find out more at nrs.gov.ng.
Good and fine. Now, you've all listened what they are out to do, right? Good. Now, they will be flagging this off 30th of April. This will come up live 30th of April this year, 2026. Right? And again, people that are here, the companies that are here don't need to panic. Because what they say is that they are going to migrate from here to here. Now, so many people will be asking, how will I get the password? What password will I use? Now, your former password you use on TaxPromax will not work on this Rev360. It will not work. Now, what they want to do is that once they are live, once they have launched it live, right, they will now migrate every information from here to this place. Send messages and give you login detail in which you can use to log in here. You understand? But if you are a new company that you want to register on TaxPromax, that you want to register on the tax, now you can now register here yourself. You do it from the comfort of your home. You can register your tax here yourself. Remember, here you cannot register it yourself. You need to contact the tax authority to do it for you. It's either you walk in or you call somebody who works in the tax authority to do it for you. But here, you can do it from the comfort of your home. You register. I will do a video on the registration aspect, but I'm just giving you an overview that this one has come to stay. But the migration, will it be automatic? No, it will be in phases. So people that are using TaxPromax continue to use your TaxPromax until you are migrated to this place. But those new companies, you are registering here directly. It's either you get a tax consultant to do it for you or you do it yourself. They say it is friendly. The training we partake, at least the interface was friendly. Yes, they say it is friendly, and we've seen it, though we've not have had access to it because it's not yet live. So by 30th of April, it's going to be live. Then we'll now have access to it and see how friendly it is, right? But for TaxPromax is very friendly. We are used to TaxPromax. That is what we are using, right? But now there is an innovation for us to move to this place. Now, this place contains so many things. So many things. Your tax consultant can also log in here and do your work for you. Then if you like, you give your tax consultant your email, your password, he will do it for you. If you like, don't give him, he will use his own login detail to do that for you. So here came with so many orishi. There is so much orishi in Rev360, right? So the tax program, the migration will be going gradually until we shift to this place. So the tax world is changing. That is one thing about tax. You just have to be updated because it changes frequently. Now, tell me what happened to TaxPromax that they want to change to Rev360? I don't know. What if they have built on TaxPromax beta instead of migrating fully to Rev360? That is, I don't know. I think that could have been better. But I don't know why they choose this. I think this is better off than this. But I think upgrading instead of abandoning, you get upgrading, continuity instead of abandoning is something that we are facing in this country. You see a government will come in, he will start a project, he will do the project, and once he leaves, another government come. Instead of to continue from here, he will start a fresh one entirely. We don't progress that way, right? Good. So let's take a look and see how it go on 30th of April. Be be on your guard, be at alert, and watch the new Rev360 come on board fully. That is what we'll be using to file our VAT going forward. With time, this will fade out. So if you have any question, it's a new platform. Ask for any confusion because I will be doing more videos on Rev360.